Shit.
You better hold on tight, Spider Monkey.
He's showed us the basics of what a vampire can do, and now it's like you can also have fun with the powers.
I have always loved superheroes. I've always thought that was so cool, and I know that that's kind of a guy thing to get into the comic books and the superheroes, and so hopefully they'll enjoy that aspect of the movie.
Cut!
Dr. Carlisle Cullen is the father figure of this vampire coven.
I play Esme Cullen. I'm married to Carlisle Cullen, who's a doctor. We are a big family.
And they're kind of all living in this small town of Forks, trying to live human lifestyle.
She is Edward's sister. She brought with her the premonitions, so she can see the future, which is awesome.
Jasper's ability is to calm, especially when you have a house full of vampires that are trying not to eat humans. It can raise a lot of those animalistic tendencies, and so what Jasper's ability is to calm that.
In one word, the protector. I mean, he really is the big brother to all the Cullens.
Rosalie is described as literally the most beautiful person in the world. Those are difficult shoes to fill.
We're kind of the the freaks of the vampire world.
James fits into the story of Twilight because he is a tracker, and he basically hunts humans with his 2 cohorts.
Victoria is one of 3 nomadic vampires who you meet in your journey, and keep away.
So what we're about to film is a scene where the 3 of us find our next victim, either because we're hungry or because James
Book matches up with it, and that they feel the same feelings that people feel reading the book. I would love it if new audiences would walk out of there caring about Bella and Edward.
It's a great vampire tale, love story. Who doesn't want that?
Okay, here we go. Action, 3, 2, 1.
We're killing some people today.